So there's the Carnival Panorama pulling in beside us in Mazatlan, Mexico. People are lined up on the deck right there. Are our windows as mirrors like that? We're of course on the Discovery Princess. There's the sky ride up there and the ropes course. Don't see anybody up on either though. Maybe they're closed. Yeah, the water slides are open. There's people on their balconies staring at us. And I'm half naked. Bless you, Janet. Bless you. See, we're on the Discovery Princess. So they're going to go down right there. They're going to do a 180 and pull in behind us, is my prediction. But I'm not going to stay on here and make you watch all that. But anyway, it's a pretty good look at the ship. Now let's take a good look at the people. So I wonder if any of them are Port Monkey subscribers. Let's try something. I'm gonna wave. They're not. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Zoomed in too much. Anyway, Carnival Panorama. It's panoramic, huh?